Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And welcome to Our Lives Travel. Good morning. So we're up here at the Windjammer. We're gonna check and see what breakfast is like. On the compass, it says that breakfast in the Windjammer is reservations preferred. I didn't make a reservation, so let's go and see if they turn me away or they just let me walk in. Let's go see what this new process is like.
I'm coming. Good morning and welcome.
Good morning, thank you. And now we're gonna see what all they have for breakfast. Good morning, how are you?
Very good.
Do I just get it myself or do you guys serve it? Or?
Yeah, this one is grab and go, and
Oh.
in the buffet somebody will serve you.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. So we've got smoked mackerel, some radish and micro sprouts toast, some plain yogurt, muesli, parfait, mango, smoothie. Oh. Then hot and tasty. Got some fried rice, eggs.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Corned beef hash. I'd like some corned beef hash. And a couple of those potatoes. A little bit of bacon.
Crispy bacon.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
And then Italian roach sausage, applesauce, tomato, pork sausage. Oh, they have chicken sausage. Got some pastries, donuts, French toast, waffles, pancakes, sticky buns, and then you got cereal and stuff over here, ketchup. Okay, so that was probably a bad tour of the breakfast, but kind of wanted to just give you an idea of what it was like. So when you come in, sorry I got whipped cream on me. I got whipped cream on me from my waffle. But when you come in, they scan your badge, I guess just to keep track of how many people are in the buffet or whatever, I don't know. But I didn't have to have a reservation, just let me in. Didn't ask me any questions. I asked the lady if I could take food back to my room. She said, yeah, it's no problem. So when you come in, there's like all these different stations that give you a plate and silverware. And then they say there's a couple stations that are just grab and go. So like muesli, not muesli, where they have like parfaits and already pre-made avocado toast and stuff like that. You just grab it and go. But then the other places where the hot bars are for the waffles and bacon and eggs and all that kind of stuff, they will serve you. So someone will be there and just, you know, give you as much as you want. And then same thing with the drink, you just grab and go, you know, whatever, and then just go sit at your table. So it's pretty much basically that nobody is touching the same handle like they were back in the day. So the only people who are touching the handles are the servers. But other than that, I mean, it's really no big deal. They do have the tables separated, so it looks like every other table is not available. So they have a little sign on the tables that say this is this table is unavailable, so we just have to sit at the table next to it. So people are kind of spread out for the most part. I'm sitting outside, and there's not really a whole lot of people out here. And the buffet is actually not crowded at all. It wasn't crowded walking around where all the food items were either. So, and everybody looks like they're having a good time and wearing their masks and just being safe. So, we're about to dig into some food. Bacon. We got some bacon, some potatoes, some corned beef hash, and a waffle, and some apple juice to drink. So, we're about to dig in and see what it's like. Okay, so we are in Nassau, Bahamas. We went and ate breakfast. We sat out, watched the boats come in, all that kind of stuff. Then we said, let's go back to our room and just chill out for a little bit, do some activities. So today I am going to start my activity of Lego building. So you know, guys, I love to build some Legos. So I decided to try this new one from this company called Block Center. See that? It's kind of like, I wouldn't say generic, but it's not name brand Lego. So this is a new one that I found on Amazon called Block Center, and it's a little, I call it a Dachshund Hound. I guess that's how you say it, a little Dachshund Hound. I wanted to find one that looked like Pop-Tart, but of course they didn't have that. So I'm gonna try this, but as you can see from these pieces right here, this is gonna be a little bit challenging. So they don't have bags like Legos that have numbers on it. It's like, oh, start with bag 1, then go to bag 2. It's just random pieces inside of like 4 bags. And then look at the instructions. It's just like, oh, take these 2 pieces and stick them together. You know, but it doesn't say from what bag or anything like that. So we shall see. I think it's going to be like 60 different steps in here that you have to take to put them together. But I guess what you have to do is just kind of count the studs and find out that that's the piece that you want and then put them together. We have what, 7 days left on this cruise? So I'll probably be done on day 9. I'll be finishing this back up at home. So I will check back in with you guys and show you the progress of the dog and how it's being put together as it gets built. Dana's doing her murder mysteries.
So while you're playing with your Legos, I'm over here trying to solve crime. Yep, not doing a really good job at this though. A lot of information. I got a syringe and some stuff that I'm looking into here. Got some crime scene photographs. Got some a lie detector test. Yeah. Anyway, yeah.
Let's see how her crime solving goes.
Okay guys, so tonight we have decided that we are going to stay up till 3 a.m.
No, that is not what we said.
Yes,
we said Junior's curfew, which was 1 a.m.
3 a.m. So some of you may know that in Royal Caribbean, kids under the age of 18 or 17, I'm not sure.
17.
Kids 17 and younger have a curfew at 1 a.m. So us as young adults feel like we should be able to stay up past 1 a.m., right? So we are going to try to do that tonight. We are notorious. There is something in the air, the food, we don't know what it is, but it makes us so sleepy when we're cruises. But tonight we are going to stay up and we are going to party hard. We're not going to go to bed until the sun comes up, assuming the sun comes up around 1:15. Anyway, so we're gonna try to stay up late and show you some of the late night venues and some of the things that go on in the evening. Wish us luck. But to prepare, we're actually gonna go take a nap right now. So, all right, see you soon.
Later.
So we are at the Zoomies. So we took our, first of all, we took our nap. 5 hours.
We are ready.
4 or 5 hour nap.
3 a.m.
We're ready. Okay. So it's what, 8 o'clock. We're at our dinner reservation at the Zoomies. Eating some edamame. Edamame. You guys ever eat edamame? It's like peas. Snap peas, I guess. Dana told me to eat one. I've never had one before.
Bite it, slide it out.
Alright, so let's see. Edamame. I don't want it. It's like a pea. Not for me. But Dana likes it.
I'm proud of you for trying.
Dana gave me brownie points for trying. Alright, so it is 9:15. We made it to the theater for the Adele show. We are still awake. We ate dinner. We're not about to pass out. So we're going to check out the Adele show, see what that's like. Starts at 9:30. And then check in with you again to see if we're still up right and not back in the room.
I think there are some Adele fans in the room. Tonight, we are going to celebrate the incredible music of the one and only Adele. Now,
Dana won $25. First night in the casino. Way to go, Dana. Woo!
We're booking on the cruise. Hey guys, time check. Okay, it is
11:24.
yeah, and we're back in the room, but we're not asleep, and we are staying up till 3 a.m. However, I don't know what we're going to be doing because there is nothing to stay up till 3 a.m. to do. So right now we went to the casino. As always, it's kind of packed, a little smoky, just felt kind of hot and a little gross. So we lost our money, and so we came back to the room.
But we were up though.
We're up
to $100.
Twice. But now we're going to do a little bit of reading. Corey is going to do some Legoing. The only really other thing left is there's music in different places on board. There's the nightclub, which we may venture into, or maybe some putt-putt golf. But honestly, there's not a whole bunch of stuff to do till 3 a.m. But we're still staying up because we said we were going to do it. Anyway.
11:25.
11:25. We got a long night ahead of us. Okay. See you shortly. We're going to go out, sit on the balcony, and piddle for a little while.
Hopefully not fall asleep.
I'm not sleepy. I'm not. Are you?
No.
Alright, bye.
2 hours later.
It's 2 a.m. 2 a.m. We made it. We made it to 2 a.m. And there is nobody out here. I'm looking out in the central, and all I see is employees. Oh, there's one rogue person in the elevator. There's another rogue person leaving. But you can see a couple rogue people going back to their room after late night drinks in casinos. But for the most part, everyone is asleep. Dana says she doesn't think the nightclub closed till like 3 o'clock. I wonder if it's hopping. I don't know. But it's 2 a.m. We're waiting on our room service. We just called it in. So we'll show you what we got. Maybe I'll go walk around for a minute and see what's happening. If anybody's out anywhere after I eat. Maybe after I eat. But it's pretty much a ghost town at 2 in the morning. Room service is here. Alright, so we got quesadilla, cheese quesadilla, cheesecake, and a hot dog with some fries. Let's eat, and then I think we can go to bed. No? Taylor says we have to stay up even longer.
Till 4 a.m.
No, we are not making it until 4 a.m. I can do 3 because I have to stay up and let this digest, but not 4 a.m.
Moments later.
It's 2:43 in the morning. So we're gonna go see if there's anybody awake. What's anybody doing? Anybody doing anything? Casino's closed. Bars closed. Look how dark it is down here. All the bars, clubs, whatever, restaurants, all closed, deserted. Almost at Coco. Okay, just left. That's all. Dana thinks I'm crazy. She's never seen me up and alert like this. Almost 3 in the morning. Normally I would be asleep by 9. It's 3 in the morning. I don't know what happened to me. Nobody play basketball or golf? We could come in here. There's nobody in the arcade. Everybody is asleep. I'm a lone deserter out here. Should have brought my Fitbit. See how many steps I got. There's nobody in there. It's all empty. Dead as a doornail. Can I go in this door? Let's see if I can go in this door. Oh. It's a crew door. Can't go in there. Nightclub, casino, golf, basketball, kids club, pool, everything deserted, bars, nothing's open. We have fun late at night after 2 a.m. Stay in your room. That's the bottom line. Alright, I'm going to bed. Good night. Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.